Okay, I'm just setting up the proportions for this face, and I've got the head of the photograph the same size as my face I'm sculpting, and so I can take the measurements from there. And let's see, I'm gonna bring the head down. I love this guy's face though. I'll put a picture up here of the face that I'm working from. I don't know the name of the warrior, but he's got a great face. Whoop, I keep forgetting I'm got a camera on this thing and I got a turntable for the head, and I'm not using that. I put a black cloth over the figure in the background so that it's not confusing to the eye. Now I just put the head on the shoulders to see how it looks. I think it's going to look good if I don't screw it up. There's always that possibility. And I'm going to put the head on the figure and see what it looks like. All right. I'm happy with that face. I'm going to work on his mouth a little bit more tomorrow. But not unhappy with it. It's going to look better when it gets all finished up with the neck and headdress and whatever I decide to do with that part of it. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. I think tomorrow. I don't know. I've got a air conditioning guy coming over tomorrow, and I might have to be occupied with that, so I don't know exactly what's going to happen. If I'm not here tomorrow, I'll be here probably Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know next week. I've got to go to Bozeman, or not to Bozeman, but to Livingston and pick up a couple of bronzes. And then I've got the client coming to my house this coming week also. So it's going to be a busy week for me other than sculpting. So we'll see how this all works out next week. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.